Hi, welcome back. Well, today I'm going to be changing out my light bulbs on my vanity mirrors. As you know, the standard interior light bulbs they give you, they're not very bright. As a matter of fact, they have a little yellow tinge to it. So I decided to change my bulbs out to LED bulbs in my vanity mirrors. I want to start with that first. The bulbs I got for this were 4 LED bulbs and they ran about $5 on eBay. This is really simple to do. All it requires is one small flat screwdriver. That's it. Let's get to work. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lift up the lid. And I'm going to show you here on the right side. Take your small screwdriver and on the very bottom of the lens you'll see a small little notch. Stick your screwdriver in there straight in, and then with a downward motion you're going to pry it up. There's a small plastic tab to the left. Just pry up and it'll pop right out. Be aware though, there's 2 other tabs, one on the right side and one on the top. When you remove the lens, just don't pull out. You need to pull to the left and down as shown. Here are all the 3 tabs. When you're ready to do the other side, this plastic lens goes in the opposite way than what you're seeing it right now. It would look like this. So be aware of that when you stick your screwdriver in on the opposite side. When you're ready to install the lens, make sure you put the top tab in first, then the side tab, then the bottom tab. The bottom tab, you may need your screwdriver to help it pop in. Let's remove the left side lens here. And we're going to remove the bulb. As you can see, these bulbs look like a fuse. Just pull it out the same way. You're going to grab the fuse that's closest to the mirror and pull out. Here's the bulb on top and the LED on the bottom. As you can see, they're pretty much similar in size and shape. Let's get these installed. Okay, there's a little trick you should know about installing these LEDs. Number one, on this one, you're going to push in on the left side here, and then you're going to slide it over to the left. Then push down on the right. Now, if the bulb doesn't come on, go ahead and flip it around, and the bulb should come on. I guess these bulbs run on some kind of polarity. But if it first doesn't go on, just flip it around and it should come on. Okay, now we're ready to snap in the lens. Remember the top tab first, then the side, then with the screwdriver, pop in the bottom. Wow, these by far are a lot brighter. You can see in daylight how much brighter it is compared to the other bulb. Okay, let's do the other side. This one has a switch that slides up and down that controls the brightness of the light. No worries, this thing comes out the same way. Just put your screwdriver in the bottom, pull outwards from the bottom. There you go, it's out. You can see this square hole here. This pin goes into that hole. This pin connects to the electrical portion of that slider. Go ahead and put your bulb in. Again, if it doesn't go on, just turn it around and it should go on. Okay, now it's time to pop the lens in. Again, make sure that pin is in that square hole. Slide it up and down to make sure it's in there correctly. You can see the light either go dim or get brighter. Go ahead and snap it in. There you go, we're done. This is how the lights look when it's pitch black. I can tell you though that the camera is trying to adjust the white balance, but I can tell you right now that the LED is at least 3 times brighter than the regular conventional bulbs. Now you know how to replace your bulbs with LEDs on your vanity mirrors. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.